Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another session of Coding Bootcamp for Codeavour International 5.0. I welcome you all, and today's session is going to be all about Quarky, and we will also be making an activity as well. So yes, let us begin with today's session, you all. Let me share my screen. Also, I would like to mention that all the important links like registration link, if you want to know more about Codeavour, all the important links will be given in the description box. You can check it below. And yeah, let us start with today's session. I hope my screen is visible to you all. Yes, so the name of this activity today, what we are going to do is name badge activity. So in name badge activity, we will be using our Quarky board to display your name or any content basically. So yes, this session will be the main concept behind this particular session is to solidify your knowledge on using Quarky and use different blocks related to it. So in this lesson, students will be learning how to use Quarky to display some text on the board. So getting familiar with Quarky, we will also understand what all the things we will be getting in our kit. So let me show you our Quarky kit. This is our Quarky kit, right? So here, as you can see, this is my kit, which has two boxes. These two boxes contain so many consumables and, the robot board as well. So we will be seeing one by one what all the box contains. And we will connect our hardware with our software, PictoBlocks application, and we will make the activity. Okay, so this is all about today's session, students. How excited are you all? Comment down in the comment section. Let me see how many are excited. Yes. So next, getting familiar with Quarky. So what do you mean by Quarky? Let me show you how Quarky looks first. So in very first box, you will be finding the Quarky. This box is Quarky Ultimate Kit, students. So I'm using Quarky Ultimate Kit. Let me open box 1 to show you my Quarky board. This is my Quarky board. Okay. So I have attached my battery and things here so that it will automatically be used whenever I want. I just can plug and play it. Yeah, so this is the Quarky. So what do you mean by Quarky? Quarky is nothing but an electronic board with lots of features using which you can make a number of projects, exciting projects. And you can also program Quarky to make expressions, play some sounds, detect touch, because the Quarky has touch pins here, as you can see. Here are 5 touch pins for Quarky. And you can do lots of things with Quarky. One such activity we'll be doing in today's session. Okay, so yeah, components of Quarky, we have 2 tactical play pins, left and right pins. We have touchpads here, and we have 7 into 5 display patterns. So the display, what we are doing today, the activity, the display text will be visible here. And next you have on and off buttons, and also you have 2 motors here, which is connected to this particular tires, which makes your bot move. And this is a balancer which can balance your particular robot, as it has only 2 tires. And next you have reset button as well. You have inbuilt sensors. That first sensor is IR sensors, infrared sensors, students. As you can see, these are the true IR sensors. And next you also have the touch sensors here. You have 5 touch sensors as well. And you have different ports. So you have servo ports. These 2 ports, what you can see is called the servo ports. And this is your port for connecting any external, the sensors like ultrasonic sensors, etc. So these are some of the important components of Quarky. Apart from that, it also has inbuilt Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connection. You can use Bluetooth, and also short circuit resistant. So these are the important features of for Qt Quarky. Okay, so the Quarky will be our journey buddy, where we can do lots of activities using it. Right. So next, moving ahead, we will be connecting our Quarky with our PictoBlocks application. I want you all to open your PictoBlocks application, students. If you have Quarky, then well and good. So you will be able to do some actions here. But if you don't have Quarky, do not worry. You can also do it on any other boards if you have, or you can easily purchase this as well on our website. Okay, so you can purchase also. You can just do with other boards as well. So yeah, let me open my PictoBlocks. I assume that all of you are using PictoBlocks, have opened PictoBlocks actually, right? Let me also open my PictoBlocks application. So I hope you can see the application. Yes. So now the very first task is to connect our board to our software PictoBlocks, right? So how will we connect? First of all, see when I click on board, you can see lots of boards which is compatible PictoBlocks is visible here, right? So here you can do any, you can select any of the board here. But now as we are coding on Quarky, we will click on Quarky. So when I click on Quarky, we will be popping up, getting this pop-up to connect. Correct? So we can connect the Quarky with our PictoBlocks in two ways. Very first is using USB cable, which will be given alongside with your box. Okay. So along the Quarky board, you will also be getting all the consumables. So one such consumables is your USB cable as well. So USB cable is having C-type. So C-type pin. So you can just connect the C-type pin to your one end to your computer. I mean the Quarky, and the other side to your computer. Let me connect it to my computer as well. Okay, so now it is connected. As you can see here, these red and green, blue color signs that it is on. Okay, so this blue indicates it is on. This orange indicates that it is charging. Why it is saying that it is charging? Because I have connected this USB cable to my computer. Okay, so now when I click on refresh, you can see the light here, right? So I'll just connect. This is how it is connected. So my Quarky is connected. Right, students? So the second way is that let me take this off, and now Quarky is the Quarky is not connected by a USB cable. I will on the Quarky. So first itself we need to on. So I'll on the Quarky here, as you can see, right? So when you on, you will be getting this blue light here. So once the blue light is on, you need to make sure that the PictoBlocks link is running. So what do you mean by PictoBlocks link? As I mentioned, just select the board and you will get a pop-up to connect. If you did not get, just go to click on connect. So when you click on connect, you will get this pop-up and go to Bluetooth port. Here you can see if there is any Bluetooth devices, you can get here. If you have PictoBlocks link, you can just go to search the PictoBlocks link and click on it. It should be running background. Okay. And if it is not, then you need to click on this particular link in order to download the PictoBlocks link. Okay, so as I already have PictoBlocks link downloaded, I will just click on PictoBlocks link and I will run it. Okay, so PictoBlocks link is already there. Just double click on your PictoBlocks link. It will be running background. Right. So how will you know that if your Quarky PictoBlocks link is running background? Let me share my entire screen and show it to you. Yeah. So here, as you can see, in the taskbar on my computer, I could see PictoBlocks link running here. Right, students? So that is how I can know that PictoBlocks link is running. Now, when PictoBlocks link is running, you can just come here, click on try again, and you can refresh it. When you refresh, you can see the name of your Quark is visible here. Just click on connect and you can see the blue light is becoming green here. Right, students? So this is how I have connected my PictoBlocks application to Quarky. Okay, so now it is connected. I hope this is clear for you all students. So any doubts in connecting your Quarky with PictoBlocks application, do let me know on the comment sections so that I can clear your doubts. Okay, so next, now connection is done. Now our PictoBlocks is also ready for coding. Let us start coding. So you would have observed one thing. When we select the board, there are some additional palettes here, as you can see: Quarky, display, robot, sensors, speakers. So these are some additional palettes which are being added here. Okay. So now let us go to display. In display, we have display animation, display motion, display patterns, display some text at some speed, right? So we have so many things to display. Let me display a heart symbol. As you can see here, display matrix as heart shape. Let me display heart shape. Just click on it. You can see heart shape. Right? So cute it is. Now let me just scroll and clear the screen. I'll just click on clear screen. It will be cleared. Okay, so this is how the palettes basically will be displaying some text or any kind of animations or patterns. So first, let us start with displaying the name. I can display the name Codeavour, right, students? So let me increase the font size. So from display palette, bring drag and drop display hello with some color at some speed. Okay, so I will just right here, Codeavour. Codeavour 5.0 International. And I like purplish color, like kind of dark purple. Okay, how many of you like this color, purple color? Let me know in the comment section, because this is one of my favorite color. Not one, but yeah, this it is the major first color which is my favorite. Okay. Let me know your favorite color as well, students. Yeah. Okay. So now, as you can see, I have written the text Codeavour 5.0 International. If you want, you can also write the text of your name, of your class, anything. Okay. And with your color. So you can select any color, red, blue, green, yellow, any color of your choice. And the speed, you can keep it as medium speed. Fast, it will move very fast. Slow, it will go very slow. So if you want any speed which is just normally moving, then you can keep the medium speed. Right, students? Let us display it on our Quarky. Yes? Let us see. Codeavour 5.0. Hooray! We got it. So until I click on just like if I just click on it, once it is done, it will stop. See, it is done. It will stop. It will not come again scrolling up. So this is something which how you can display. Let us properly display something. One more. Let us display. I'll display here. Welcome to Codeavour 5.0. I'll just make this color some other color. What do you say, students? We need to change the color, right? Let me keep it as red color. These days, you can see color naming with very unique names like blood red color, carrot, orange color, right? Yeah. So now, welcome to Codeavour 5.0 International. I will again keep one more here. Bootcamp sessions. This also, let us keep it as green. Right, students? We can keep any color we want, but I just wanted to play with lots of different unique colors. So yeah, this much is done. So let us see if this is display, right? Welcome to Codeavour 5.0 International. Now, which color? Green color. Boot camp sessions. Boot camp sessions. Done. Done. Okay, so now it is like once it is displayed and it is stopped, right, students? So for this, what we can do, if we want to display this once again, like again and again, we need to go to control, forever, get forever block, so that again and again I want it to be done. And one more important thing is this flag, when flag clicked. Yes, this block is important. Now let me maximize the screen and click on green flag. Let us see. Welcome to Codeavour 5.0 International Bootcamp sessions. Right, students? So this is how we have displayed kind of characters. Now again it is repeating. Why? Because we have used forever block. Correct? So it will be repeating until and unless I click on the stop option here, the red button. Okay. So this is our output. And using this, students, you can also do any kind of like other activities, like you can make by clicking on some alphabets, some kind of, the patterns can change. Okay, so let us make some kind of pattern change as well. Let us go to display. In display, you have display emotion, display animation as well. So here in animation, as you can see, thinking, nerdy, blink, blinky we have. So we can bring this display, blink, animation, and then tell these things. How will it work? Let us see. So it is blinking, blinking, and then it will say, wait. Let me clear the screen. I will show you from the first. Okay, let me click on green flag. So it is blinking and it started. Okay, and you can also display a letter on the screen as well. So yeah, that you can do. And you can also display animation. So sorry, emotion. You can also display emotion. You can also display patterns. You want any kind of pattern, students? We can add it. Let me add lava colors. Okay, so first we will do lava colors and then it will blink and tell welcome to Codeavour 5.0 International Bootcamp session, and it will show happy emotion. Okay, so this is the group of display we are doing here. So let me show it to you. First, let me clear the screen, students. Okay, so now I will display. Okay, the camera is off. Just give me a minute. I'll clear the screen. Okay. It is showing. So once it is done, it will stop. Codeavour 5.0 International Training Bootcamp. Bootcamp session, sorry. Yeah, that is clear. Now let me, yeah, this is the Quarky. Let me click on menu flag. Clicked. What is this, students? It is displaying the lava colors and then it will blink and tell this welcome to. Again, it is showing as we have given in a Right, students. So this is how we have done. And apart from apart from the Quarky board, we will be having other things as well on the Quarky box. So you will be having the consumables. In the box too, you will be basically having lots of other color consumables as well. So these are other consumables. So why we use these consumable, students, to do some higher end activities like we have this pick and place robots, and also we have a steering robots. So these kind of variety of robots we can do using this particular kit. We can do 50 plus such activities, and it will be very useful for you in the track 2 as well. So if you want to buy, we will provide the details in the description box as well. You can click and know more about how you can purchase it. And we will also be providing you the sensors. As I mentioned, ultrasonic sensors we have, and this is a servo motor for basically doing some any kind of movements. Okay, we use this actuator basically, and we also will be having few tires, two other tires. So steering robot, as I mentioned, or four-wheeler robot, we can be using those two wires, tires, and do that as well. So apart from that, we also have beautiful face cutouts. Right? See, as you can see, you can give these faces to your Quarky, and also you will be getting an MDF of box where that will be a box which your robot will be picking for pick and place activity. So these are the things you will be getting inside a box, and you will be able to getting an opportunity to do lots of activities in this. Also, you can try different palettes as well, students. Take for example, if I'm pressing letter A on my lap keyboard, so it should show some kind of pattern. And if I'm pressing H, it should show some patterns. If you have Quarky, do try this activity and let me know if you have done it. Okay, we will be meeting in doubt sessions, right? So that time you can show it to me. I'll be very happy to see what all the different activities you have done apart from what we teach. So this is the activity for today's students. And after doing the activity, what is the main thing we need to do, students? We need to save the project. So to save, click on File, go to Save As. Once you click on Save As, you will be getting this particular pop-up where we can give the name. What's the name of this activity? Name badge activity. Right, students? So just type name badge and then click on save. Okay, so this is the activity and this is how we have saved. So this is for today's activity, students. Any doubts, any queries, do let me know in the comment section. Do not hesitate. And also, if you're facing any issues with the connection, then also you can let me know. Okay, so here I am sharing you the screen of Codeavour. So this is the QR code for our WhatsApp and Telegram group, students. So you can just pause the video, scan these QR codes and join our Telegram groups as well to get latest updates about Codeavour 5.0 International. So you all are welcome to these groups. And if you're already a member, I hope you would have been getting all regular updates. And that's it for today's session, students. In the next session, we will again be talking about one more activity using our Quarky. Okay, so Quarky and AI. So Quarky with artificial intelligence concept will be learning in the next session. Until then, stay safe, students. I'll be meeting you all very soon in the next session. Right? So bye-bye, everyone. Take care. Stay safe. All the best. Bye-bye.